Zipping and unzipping files in Windows 10 is quite straightforward. Here's how you can do it. Zipping files, using File Explorer. Select the files or folders you want to zip. Right-click on the selected items. Choose Send to from the context menu. Select Compressed, Zipped, Folder. This action will create a new zipped folder with your selected items. Unzipping files. Locate the zipped folder. To extract the contents, right-click on the zipped folder, then select Extract All. Follow the prompts to choose the extraction location and extract the files. These methods should help you compress files into a zip format and extract zipped files on Windows 10 easily.